how to delete queue on Spotify. So without any further ado, let's get started with this tutorial. First of all, on your mobile device, launch the Spotify application and make sure that you're logged into your account. And once you're logged in on this interface or on this home page at the bottom, you will get to see the songs that you are recently playing or that you have played recently. If you tap on that song, and from this interface again, if you tap on the icon at the very bottom at the right hand side of your interface, there is an icon as three horizontal line. Tap on there, and here as you can see on this interface, the queue is loaded that says next in queue. So these are all the songs that are on the queue. Now, if you like to clear all at once, tap on clear queue from the right hand side and your queue will get deleted. But if you like to go one by one, you have to select individually and then tap on remove. And that's how you can delete queue on Spotify. I hope this video helped you. If you're new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and hit the bell icon for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.